Welcome back to the engine room. Today we're working on my Harbor Freight cement mixer. So I've had this for a while, done a ton of work with it, works great. Great machine. The only problem is the wheels. So they're super weak, they're split, they're mangled. This one doesn't roll anymore, it's all twisted, and they're beat up. So I was looking for options for replacements. I picked up these from Harbor Freight. These are right off the shelf. It's just a regular wheel that they have, about the same diameter. This is a 1-inch shank. So what I did was I popped the bearings out. This, I'll measure up the diameters, but this is definitely larger than this. So I have some 1-inch black pipe. It fits almost perfect in there and fits almost perfect over the top of there. So what I think I'm gonna do is cut this to size so it fits right inside. Probably lube it all up with some anti-seize and put these wheels on. These are about the same diameter, they're solid, they're way more heavy duty. And be able to get this thing back in business because it's really annoying dragging it around with the mangled wheels. So let's see how this goes. Let's see if we can get this thing back together. So I'm gonna pull this old wheel off, cotter pin out, washer off, wheel off. Got a washer on the inside. Measures a little over 1 inch. So I got my new wheels. These measure almost like 1 3/8. So this guy fits in here pretty good. And it fits over here pretty good. It's gonna end up being perfect. Got some anti-seize. And my wheel, this side sticks out further, so I'm gonna put that on the inside. And my washer and my cotter pin. Perfect. I'm gonna flip this over and do the other side. Gotta knock these bearings out. They're just pressed in and they have a flange. So I have just a 1/2-inch carriage bolt. I'm gonna use it as a punch. Gonna get on an angle like that. Comes right out. I'm gonna get the other side. Okay. 2 of 2. All right. These are done. All mangled. Garbage. Perfect. And that's that. A lot more heavy duty. Ready to go back to work.